Yeah, thank you, Deepaji.
Action.
So, congratulations, Sunil, for new business of your son.
Yeah, thanks, Deepa. Thanks a lot. Yeah, it
How
because of the, I mean, good wishes like you, it could be
how
happen. Yeah.
how is he doing in his business?
So far, so good. He's doing good. So gradually, his business is growing.
Drawing. What type of business is this?
He's in IT sector, so he's doing purchasing and wholesaling market in electronics like laptop and other gadgets, laptop,
So,
iPad. Yeah.
uh, I hope he's earning well in this business.
We haven't asked him, but as per his confidence, he is doing good. So he's saying, "Papa, do not worry," and he's getting according to his capabilities.
From where he find uh, inspiration to start this business?
Uh, he met with one of our family relative, and his one of his friend's father is also doing the same business. So he get inspired from. I feel from them only.
So, uh,
So how could you know about? How do you know about it? How did you get to know about it?
uh, one of your known person told me about his new business. So I thought I should congratulate you
Yeah,
because these days doing job is not a easy task.
yeah, that's correct. Truly said.
And their salary is not handsome uh, in jobs. So people or new generation has inclination towards business. They are earning well in businesses.
Yeah, he was used to say in his when he was in school and college. So he wants to do the business only, and he doesn't want to go for the job. Yes, his
So,
intuition for the business only.
so can you tell me uh, initially uh, what type of difficulties he had to face?
Yeah, including me, we faced to get the sufficient fund to for all setups. So somehow we manage it, but from the bank loan and from our saving.
Have you purchased some land uh, to set your whole structure?
As of now, it is on rent. It is rented shop. So later on, we will decide. He will buy the land, or he will go with the same arrangement.
Generally, people take land in industrial areas where there is no stoppage of light.
I think it's depend on their capability, their fund, and availability. So it is not necessary to get their own land and for start up the business. So I have seen lot of people who purchase the land later when their business grown up.
So, have you helped your son in this business?
Come again?
Have you helped your son to start this business?
I didn't get you.
What type of help you did to your son?
I did help for him, like in financial arrangement and for getting the shop through my friends.
However, I shouldn't ask about this, but how much money have you spent uh, initially to start this business?
Uh, Exactly, I can't say about it, but I would say about 1 CR we have spent for. I mean, we have invested for the business.
Okay, it is a hefty amount.
Yeah,
Actually, I my son also wanted to start a new business, but we don't have that much money. So that's why I wanted to ask you.
which kind of the
So
business he wanted to do?
can can he start a new business with a small amount? Can you
Yeah,
give me some suggestions?
it's depend on the. I mean, amount is depending on the business to business. It would vary on business to business. How which what kind of the business he wants to do?
So, can you suggest me some new businesses for my son? He
See,
had
frankly speaking,
completed his MBA.
okay. So, what is he? I mean, what kind of the inspiration uh, for him?
He don't know about any business. He has no idea about business because everybody in my family is in job.
I think we should ask him about his interest, what kind of the business he wants to do. So, and what kind of the interest, I mean, in, in the business. So that would, I mean, would be a great idea.
Have you taken some loan?
Yeah, without loan we can't. I mean, we could not make this arrangement.
These days, banks are allowing you to take loan on low basis or on a small basis.
Yes.
But
What's
if you have land, only that land, they give you loan. They can't provide you loan single-handedly.
I think for the shop we cannot open any shop anywhere. We have to catch the market. I mean the where the footfall are. I mean very huge footfall. So we can't open the shop in somewhere. I mean in the remote area.
Okay, okay,
So,
done.
what is your strategy to expand your business?
I think strategy was mutual. I mean, with somewhere I help him, somewhere he use his own mind. He take the suggestion from his friends and the friends relatives. So I think it was not a one member's opinion.
ठीक है, बस बस एंड करना है, एंड करना है. गुड वन, गुड गुड गुड.